Hello friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry. As we discussed last class, that is important point about what alcohols and phenols, classifications of alcohol and classification of what phenol completed. After that what that is allylic alcohol, next one is what benzylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol and benzylic alcohol points are what completed. The next important point is in this case what the OH group is directly attached to what sp2 hybridized carbon atom. That is one more is there, that is called what vinylic alcohol. Okay, that point we are going to study right now. Okay, just here heading is compounds containing, heading is what compounds containing OH2 group attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, this is the heading, don't worry about a heading. Okay, compounds containing what OH group attached to the what sp2 hybridized carbon atom. In this case the first important point is what, one will come phenol, another is there, that is vinylic alcohol. Okay, definition of vinylic alcohol: benzylic is different, allylic is different, next one is what benzylic is different, the next one is what vinylic. Okay, three important categories. Okay, just here in this case I am going to consider an example. The most important point is what example, this is what CH2 double bond, next one is what CH, this one is what OH. This is the example of what vinylic alcohol. Just here in this case this OH group directly attached to this carbon hybridization is what sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, that is indicate what sp2 hybridized carbon atom means 100% double bond is there. Okay, OH group directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, that is indicate what vinylic alcohol. Okay, that is indicate what vinylic alcohol. The name of this one is what ethanol, because ethane two carbons are there, this is indicate what ethanol. Okay, important, bear in mind one ethanol, if you want you can write, no problem. Okay, this is indicate what vinylic alcohol. The next one is what important, that is what structure, the structure of what alcohols and phenols we are going to study. Okay, what kind of structure is it? Okay, just here in this case structure of important. Okay, that is indicate what structure of alcohols and phenols. Okay, structure of alcohols and phenols. Structure of what alcohols and next one is what phenols. Just here first point I am going to consider in alcohols. Very interesting point. Okay, in alcohols they are going to ask you usually what is the structure of what alcohols. Okay, in such kind of questions they are going to ask you, that's why be alert on this concept. Okay, in alcohol just here in this case I am going to write the structure example, CH3OH I am going to consider. Okay, CH3OH, no problem. Just here this CH3OH I am going to write like this. Okay, here is there, they are going to ask you what is the structure of this one. The structure is what 100%, that is tetrahedral structure. The next question, how tetrahedral is possible? Very simple technique is there. Okay, that is what PUC first year organic topic is there. No, in that we have discussed. Okay, if you want you can search in what my YouTube channel. Okay, this OH group attached to this carbon, this what is hybridization of this carbon? sp3. sp3 is there means 100%, that is called what tetrahedral, just representation TD. If sp2 is there, that is called what trigonal planar. Next sp is there, that is indicate what linear. Okay, all these points are important. In this case you know very well about that 109 degree 28 minutes, this is the bond angle for tetrahedral. Next in this case what is the bond angle for trigonal planar is a 120 degree. Next what is the bond angle for sp is a 180 degree. Okay, all these points are basic points, PUC first year points. Okay, that's why be alert. Okay, this concept you have to read in PUC first year topic. Okay, this CH3OH I am going to write like this. Okay, here I am going to write this is what oxygen I am going to take, this is what hydrogen. Next in this case what hydrogen is there, in this case hydrogen is there, here one is what hydrogen is there, no problem. Next in this case this oxygen containing how many lone pair of electron, now tell me, two lone pair of an electron. The bond length of this one carbon oxygen is 142 picometer, pico means 10 to the power of pico means 10 to the power of minus 12. After that in this case what, this is a 96 picometer. Carbon oxygen bond length is 142 picometer. Next oxygen hydrogen bond length is 96 picometer. Okay. Next after that in this case bond angle of this one, bond angle of this one is what, 108.9 degree or 108 degree 9 minute, that is also no problem. Okay, that is why in this case 108.9 degree. Just here in this case, this is the most important point. What is the structure of what alcohol they are going to ask you, means what, in this case the structure of this is called what, tetrahedral structure. Means in this case what is hybridization of this one, sp3. What is the hybridization of this oxygen? Oxygen is also having a sp3 hybridization. How many sigma bonds are there? 2 sigma bond. But how many lone pairs are there? 2 lone pair. 2 plus 2 is a 4. That is trick is there, no? Okay, PVC first year point. Okay, PVC, if you want you can search. Okay, no problem. Just here in this case what is the hybridization of this one, sp3. sp3 means 100%. What is the structure of this one? Tetrahedral structure. No problem. Tetrahedral structure. Okay, tetrahedral structure. Okay, this is important. Next question in this case arises the most important question. My answer is tetrahedral, but bond angle is what, less. Bond angle must be what, 109 degree 28 minutes, but in this case bond angle is 108 degree 9 minutes, otherwise 108.19 degree. Okay, this is bond angle in this case going to decreases. Again question, why bond angle is going to decreases? That is most important point. In a NEET JEE exam they are going to ask you such kind of question, why in this case bond angle is going to decrease, why not increase? Very simple point is is there in this case. This point we will study in what, chemical bonding and molecular structure. Okay, that is there in PUC first year, chemical bonding molecular structure. Okay, sorry. Just here in this case how many lone pairs are there? 2 lone pair. Means in this case the lone pair interaction is more, means what, the repulsion is more. When there is a lone pair repulsion is more, automatically the bond is going to what, compress. The bond is going to what, compress. That is why the most important one point is there, that is lone pair interaction I am talking. Lone pair repulsion is more than what, lone pair bond pair. Okay, next this is a what, greater than what, bond pair. Next one is what, bond pair. Okay, is it clear? This is most important point, bear in mind. Okay, this is the most important point. If lone pair is there, that is repulsion more. Just here on lone pair is there, here on lone pair is there. In this case what happens, the repulsion is more. Repulsion is more means automatically in this case this lone pair push this bond, this lone pair push this bond, automatically the bond is going to what, compress. The bond is going to what, compress. Automatically if the bond is going to compress, automatically the bond angle is going to decrease. That is why in this case if tetrahedral is there, what is the bond angle, 109 degree 28 minutes, but in this case the bond angle is going to decrease, that is what, 108.9 degree. Okay, this is the most important point, bear in mind. Okay, up to this clear? This is a what, most if you just you have to remember bond length of this one, after that what, this one, this will come under what, in alcohols. Okay, the next one is what, that is phenol is there. The next one is what, that is phenol. In phenol I am going to write. Okay, second point, in phenol. Okay, in phenol important point. Okay, is it clear? Okay, just here in phenol means I am going to write, this is a structure like this. Next after that here oxygen is there, here is also what, lone pair is there. This is indicate what, 132 picometer. In this case what, 142 is there. In this case 142 means this is a 136. 136. In this case oxygen hydrogen is same 96 picometer only. In this case what happens, the bond angle is going to what, not 9 degree. In this case what happens, the slightly the bond angle is going to what, increases, slightly bond angle is going to what, increases compared to what, alcohol, compared to what, alcohol. That is most important point. Means in this case what happens, there is a formation of what, partial double bond character, partial double bond character. Okay, just here I am going to write one more time how you will come to know partial double bond character. Just see here, here is their lone pair, here is their lone pair. In this case 136 picometer is there, now the bond length is going to what, less. Next question, why bond length is going to less? Because there is a formation of partial double bond character. This lone pair donate here, automatically in this case there is a formation of what, partial double bond character. Where there is a formation of double bond character, the bond length is going to less. You know very well about that, carbon carbon single bond length is high compared to carbon carbon double bond. And next, carbon carbon double bond you have to compare with carbon carbon triple bond. Out of these three, which is having a bond length is less, carbon carbon triple bond is a less, okay, which is having the highest, carbon carbon single bond. Such kind means what, such method you have to apply here. In this case carbon oxygen bond is there, that is what, partially double bond character. If partial double bond character is there, that's why in this case what happen, the automatically what happen, the bond length is going to less. In this case what happens, there is no that much of repulsion between this, is due to what, aromatic ring is there, that is why the bond angle slightly, in this case 108.9 degrees there, in this case 109 degrees there, slightly the bond angle is going to increases. All these points are most important. What is the hybridization of this oxygen? sp3 hybridization. Okay, that is what most important. If there is a formation of partial double bond, means what is the hybridization? What is the hybridization? That is that time the sp2. Okay, all these points are most important, bear in mind. The next one is what, that is important point is what, IPAC nomenclature. If you want, you can take a screenshot. I will next explain the IPAC nomenclature. Okay. Okay friends, listen here, the next heading is what, IUPAC nomenclature, IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols and phenols. Okay, just here in this case very simple IUPAC nomenclature is there. Just you have to replace the E, then you have to add OL. Okay, just I am going to take an example. CS3 is there. Okay, CS3 is there. I am going to write, this is a better. I am going to write methane after that. Okay, no problem. What is the IPAC name of this one? Means just in this case you have to write. In this case what happened? Methane is there. No, that is what, ANE. Means what? Remove ANE, add OL. Means what? Just you have to write methanol. Methanol, NaAl is there. No, just in this case what, make it minus E. Next you have to add OL, that is what, plus OL. Plus OL means what, you know very well about that. Methane is there. No, for example methane is there, E replaced by what, OL, methanol, E replaced by what, OL. That is what, very simple. The IUPAC name of this one is what, methanol is the IUPAC name. Just you have to replace by E, then you have to add, this plus is indicate you have to add OL, then you have to replace the E if methanol is there. Okay, methanol is there. Okay, that is point you are going to get. Okay, next you have to take another example, CS3, CH2, OH. Now tell me how many carbons are there? You have to write ethane, you have to write, no problem, ethane. Our aim is what, in this case you have to replace E by what, OL, that is why ethane is there. Means in this case you have to replace E, add OL, you are going to get a ethanol. You are going to get a what, ethanol. This is the what, IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, this is most important, bear in mind. If 3 carbons are there, propanol. If benzene, for example phenol is there, this is what, OH group is there here. Okay, what is the IUPAC name of this one? Common name is what, phenol. Generally we are using what, phenol, but the exact IUPAC name of this one is what, benzenol. Very simple. In this case generally what we are going to call this one? Now tell me, what is the name of this one? Benzene. No, you are going to call as a benzene. E replaced by what? OL, that is called what? Benzenol. Very simple, E replaced by OL. Just in this case what replacing is the most important, just you have to replace by E, then you have to add OL. If you want to consider double bond also, CH2 is there, this one is indicate what? CH. Next after that in this case I have to take CH2 OH. Okay, 1 2 3 is there. Okay, in this case also same, I have to take what? 2, this one is what? 2 is there, this is what? 3. I think I solved this example. This example will come under in what? Allylic is there, no, that time. OH group attached to what? sp3 is there. Okay, this one is what? Indicate sp3 hybridization. Next, how many carbons are there? 3 carbons you have to write. Prop you have to write. After that 2 in, next one more E is there, no, that E is replaced by what? OL. Propene, how you are going to write? First propene you are going to write. What is the name of this one? Propene is there, no, in this case E replaced by OL, that is called propanol. Prop 2 in 1 OL, that is indicate what? IUPAC nomenclature. Okay. Up to this what? The structure of what? Alcohol, phenols and next IUPAC nomenclature is completed. The next point we will discuss next video. Okay friends, thank you.